Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Bidali Pay and Earn Cashback application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the settings button down below in the right side corner and then click on the security option within the account section and then tap on the authenticate with Touch ID button on the right side of the screen. Now you should use your fingerprints and then you can secure your funds using biometric ID. If you want to disable Touch ID, just come back to the same section and tap on the same button on the right side so that it will be disabled. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.